July 31 was Harry Potter's birthday. To celebrate this incredible series, I decided to create a short animation in Arttista of the Golden Snitch flying. Want to see how I made it? First, of course, I drew the body of the ball. Nothing too complicated there. Then I drew the wing, but the hardest part was animating it. I decided not to worry about the wing's volume at first, and instead focused on getting the motion right, even if it looked completely flat. So I animated it like this in each frame, and this is the result I have so far. Next, to give the wings a sense of depth, I created this extra shape and animated it so it would always overlap the front edge of the wing. That simple trick makes the wings feel much more three-dimensional, and this is what we have so far. After adding some color, it was time to create the second wing. That part was easy. I simply duplicated the first wing, along with its entire animation, and flipped it horizontally. Then I positioned it where it belonged and made a few small adjustments to its position in each keyframe. After that, I painted some shadows using Arttista's built-in texture brushes. Since the ball was already animated, I used Arttista's feature that lets new shapes automatically follow an existing animation. After that, I changed the ball's color to gold and adjusted the shadow colors to a darker golden tone. Then I used the brush to paint a subtle highlight on the front of the ball. I also enabled the glare effect, allowing the white background to softly bloom over the surface of the ball, giving it a much shinier look. Next, I drew these grooves around the ball. They look like real engravings carved into metal, but they're actually just two simple brush strokes in white and darker color. After that, I looped the animation across the timeline. Then, at a few keyframes, I slightly adjusted the ball's position and gave it a subtle rotation, making it feel like it was actually flying and naturally tilting as it changed direction. Those small tweaks made the motion feel much more organic and alive. And that's our final result. If you have any questions about any part of this video or how to create something like this in Arttista, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to like and share this video. It really helps support our favorite animation software.